I want to show you how to make your own chili sauce and how to make it even better and even more delicious and even more spicy compared to what you can buy at the shop. First of all, almost throughout all of my adult life, I was buying expensive sauces because I like spicy food, and I was buying different kind of chili sauces because I love chili. But now I know how to do it myself, and I will teach you and show you how to do it in your own kitchen. It is really simple, but it has some steps which makes these sauces really special. First of all, you need to have these chili pepper. I live in Vietnam, and here chili pepper is really cheap. I'm buying this much of chili pepper for 7,000 dongs, but you can make what I will show you today with any spicy pepper which you have in your region. Anyway, we have these peppers, and we need to take the cutting board and to remove everything what we don't need in this process, which is rotten spots and green stems. When you've done it, you can wash them in the sink. Usually I'm doing it like this, because that helps me understand how much of these peppers I need. After that, you need to remove all the water. And now you just pour the standard cooking oil into the peppers. If you don't have anything except the standard cooking oil, that's all right. You can use any oil you have. But if you have olive oil, and especially good if you have extra virgin olive oil, you should add just a couple of spoons in there. It will make the taste of your sauce much more interesting. Next, we need a little bit of garlic. Not much, just for the flavor. Also, if you don't know how to clean the skin from the garlic easily, do this. You see how easily the skin goes off. Just peel. By the way, in the past, this process of cutting the garlic, of cleaning it from its skin, it was the most unpleasant process in any cooking. But now it's fast and easy. Now you need to cut it. I also don't like to cut it how chefs do, because I appreciate and value my time, so I'm just doing it like this. Also, you don't need to be precise, just from my point of view should be fast and it should taste good, but it should not be very pretty. It's going there. Also, if you don't have garlic, you can make the sauce just without it. That's also totally fine, alright. The secret and the most interesting thing from this recipe is that at the end we will have two different products of our cooking. So now I need a little bit more just to fill up the pot. Next, we need to boil it. You should boil your mix for at least 30 minutes. To speed up the process, you can, before you put your peppers in the pot, you can chop them, and because of it, the cooking will take less time. After like 15 to 20 minutes of boiling your peppers with your oil in the pot, you need to make a pause. Remove your pot from the stove. Wait before the temperature of your boiling oil will reduce a little, and after that you need to smash your peppers, for example with the chopsticks like I do, or with anything which you have, for example with the potato smasher. And now the little element which makes the sauce so amazing, which makes the taste of the sauce really balanced and well-rounded. I'm presenting you the honey. This is the original Vietnamese honey, and you need to add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of honey in your sauce. And you need to do it on this step. Then you need to continue the process of smashing, also to mix the honey with the rest of the sauce. And after that, you continue your cooking. I don't have any other lead except this, but I hope you have. So you just close your pot and now you wait 15 to 20 minutes before the whole process will be finished. Alright, now it's ready. We need to take the pot. You wait a little while temperature goes down. Now you need to smash it a little more to mix it. Some of your peppers may even be brown or black, like in my case. That's totally fine. It will even give your sauce the more smoked taste. And now you take any bottle you have, and now you will need to fill this bottle with only the liquid part of your sauce. This will be your spicy, tasteful cooking oil. It's very, very convenient to use. And the rest of your sauce goes in a jar. This recipe is very cost efficient. I feel that this brings so much joy to do it yourself, just to mix something with something, to create something new. And in a cooking, it is always the case. You're creating something unique, something new. And this is so exciting when you can outsmart these big companies who sell you who knows what inside the jar or inside the sauce with these chemicals, etc., etc. But on your own kitchen, you have the control of what you eat, of what you cook. So I really suggest you to try this sauce, and you'll save tons of money, and you'll find that you are the best chef in the world, that you can do the stuff you couldn't imagine you can do with the simple products like cooking oil, heat, and chili peppers, and maybe honey, and maybe some olive oil. But even with cooking oil and chili peppers, you can do magic. So that was all what I wanted to show you today. Thank you for watching. I have other strange but useful videos on my channel, so subscribe, please give me a like, and see you next time.